Every single day, trillions of dollars quietly move behind the scenes, shaping economies, funding wars, building empires, and crushing others. And at the very center of this massive, invisible web of power, is one city, New York. This isn't just a city of skyscrapers and taxis. This is the financial brain of the global economy. But how did it become so powerful? And in a world where finance is going digital and power is shifting east, can it stay on top? The origins of financial power. To understand how New York became the financial capital of the world, we need to go back, not decades, but centuries. In the 1600s, it all began with beaver pelts. Dutch traders set up a post called New Amsterdam, trading furs and commodities at the southern tip of Manhattan Island. Later, after the British took over, it was renamed New York, and by the late 18th century, a financial culture was beginning to emerge. In 1792, 24 stockbrokers signed the Buttonwood Agreement under a tree on Wall Street, the birth of what would become the New York Stock Exchange. Wall Street wasn't just a street. It was a mindset. A system. And that system grew as America industrialized, expanded westward, and, crucially, as it won World War I and II. From the ashes of Europe's destruction, America emerged as the dominant global power. And New York became the wallet of the West. How NYC took over global finance. Today, New York isn't just a big city with banks. It's a financial superstructure that touches almost every transaction on Earth. Let's break it down. 1. The New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. Located on Wall Street, the NYSE is the largest stock exchange in the world by total market capitalization. As of 2025, it's over $25 trillion. It lists titans like Apple, ExxonMobil, and JPMorgan Chase, and plays a central role in global capital flows. 2. NASDAQ. Just a few blocks away is the NASDAQ, the second largest stock exchange, where most of the world's biggest tech giants are listed. Google, Amazon, Meta, Tesla. Between NYSE and NASDAQ, over 40% of global equity trading volume occurs in NYC. 3. Big banks and Wall Street giants. Ever heard of these names? JPMorgan Chase, Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America. These institutions don't just manage money. They shape the flow of global capital, influence governments, and fund the next generation of billionaires. 4. The USD, global reserve currency. More than 88% of global trade involves the US dollar. And guess who manages the movement of that currency at scale? Banks and institutions headquartered in New York City. Every oil deal, every foreign exchange swap, every international wire transfer, chances are, NYC is involved. 5. Hedge funds and private equity. New York is home to the most powerful investment firms in the world. Think BlackRock, Blackstone, KKR, Bridgewater Associates, Citadel, and hundreds more. NYC versus the world, who's challenging its crown? But with great power comes great competition. Several cities are actively challenging New York's financial dominance. Let's break down the top contenders. United Kingdom, London. Long considered NYC's biggest rival. Largest foreign exchange trading hub in the world. Houses global banks like Barclays, HSBC, Standard Chartered. Benefit, close time zone overlap between Asia and America. Challenge, Brexit weakened its global integration. Hong Kong SR China Hong Kong. Acts as China's international finance gateway. Huge IPO market, access to Chinese capital. Benefits from mainland capital flows. But political tension with Beijing threatens its autonomy. Singapore Known for ultra-stable regulation, fintech growth, and tax incentives. Major hub for wealth management and crypto innovation. Rapidly rising as a safe, smart alternative to Hong Kong. Japan Tokyo. Japan's financial sector is massive. But aging demographics and limited global integration have slowed its growth. China Shanghai. China's financial ambitions center here. Home of the Shanghai Stock Exchange. supported directly by Beijing's push to internationalize the yuan. Still limited by capital controls and censorship risks. Each of these cities has strengths. But none match New York's scale, history, dollar dominance, and concentration of power, yet. The biggest risks to NYC's dominance. But nothing lasts forever. Not even New York's financial empire. Here are the top threats to NYC's dominance. 1. Political instability in the U.S. Debt ceiling crises, budget shutdowns, and partisan gridlock shake investor confidence. Political chaos undermines trust in U.S. institutions, which directly impacts New York. 2. The rise of decentralized finance, DeFi. Platforms like Ethereum and Solana are enabling borderless, decentralized capital flows. No middlemen. No banks. No Wall Street. NYC-based institutions are racing to adapt or risk becoming obsolete. 3. Global de-dollarization. Countries like China, Russia, Brazil, and even France are exploring alternatives to the US dollar. BRICS is discussing a gold-backed currency. If the dollar's dominance fades, so does New York's chokehold on global finance. 4. Digital nomads and remote capital. Finance is increasingly cloud-based. Investors, traders, and firms don't need to be in NYC to manage billions. The geographic advantage is eroding. In short, New York is still at the top, but it's under pressure like never before. What really makes NYC number one? Beyond the skyscrapers and the suits, what really gives New York the edge? It's a combination of 4 invisible advantages. Brain 1. Human capital. NYC attracts the smartest people from around the world. Top-tier universities like Columbia and NYU funnel talent straight into finance. It's a magnet for ambition. Office building 2. Network effect. When all the big players are in one place, deals happen faster, trust is built quicker, and capital flows smoother. Toolbox 3. Infrastructure and tech. High-speed networks, secure data centers, regulatory depth. The systems are designed for trillion-dollar flows. Scroll 4. Legal strength. Strong contract enforcement, bankruptcy laws, and global investor protections make NYC attractive. In short, New York doesn't just host finance. It breathes it. Will NYC hold on to its crown? The short answer. Yes, for now. NYC still holds the deepest capital markets, the most powerful institutions, and the trust of global investors. It's where billionaires raise funds, governments issue debt, and startups become unicorns. But the future is not guaranteed. Globalization is changing. Finance is decentralizing. And digital money knows no borders. If New York wants to stay number one, it must innovate, not just dominate. So now you know why New York City is the financial capital of the world. But here's the question, how long can it keep the crown? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Will it be Shanghai? Singapore? London again? Or will Wall Street reign for another 100 years? Subscribe for more deep dives into global finance, money power, and the forces shaping our economic future.